Well, I guess we all get to this point. If you do a Corvette as much as I've had to do to this one, I'm just realized that I think I'm pretty much done with the body work. I got all the repairs done, fixed everything, all the cracks. I had front end damage. It was cracked here, down here in the front end on this side. Little crack on over here. There was a crack here in the fender. I got it fixed. Door panels. I used the doors from the 74. I've got two doors that I bought for the 73 that, but both of them had some fiberglass damage. But the doors themselves were good and solid. But I just decided to just use the 74s. They were ready to go. Didn't have to do much to them. Just a little bit of sanding and fitting and getting the door gaps right. But so I've got the 74 sitting over there, and I think I'm going to be just making it a parts car. It's got a rotten frame, so it ran good. That's the only bad thing about it. So anyway, that's where I'm at with the 73, and I got this uneasy feeling in my stomach, like, what do I do? What do I do now? I guess I got to start spraying. And, just going over it real carefully and making sure I got everything, but I will. And door gaps, I had to build all the door gaps. They were all off. But then again, I had to do the body mounts, and I replaced both the A-pillar body mounts, both sides. They were rusted out. I welded in new insert pieces to that. Got that done. And anybody that saw the hood, they saw how bad it was, but I got it straightened out. So, and I think I'm going to go ahead and I was going to use that 73 I bought. I was going to use it for the interior, but I think I'm going to save it. I'm going to keep it like it is, and it'll be my next project after I get this one done, if I live long enough. And I'm going to pull the front end off the 74, I think, and use it on the 73 out there. But I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and just take the black interior out of the 74 because it's in good condition. It's got a few little minor problems on it, but it's not bad for a driver quality, and it's really what this is going to be. I'm not building a show car. I'm a little concerned about the stance, but once I get, I don't think it sat this high when I bought it. And I had to jack it up, and I've had the body off the frame and back on the frame when I did the body mounts and that. So anyway, that's where I'm at. The hood is clamped down because I've got the hood mount, the hood latch is off. I'm gonna raise it up, and boy, what a mess. It's so dirty and dusty. But I've got little things, like I got to replace this wiring harness because it didn't have a plug. They were just individually plugged in. So I'm just gonna buy a new front harness for it. Put a new core support in. I still have to put the fan shroud, the rest of the shroud and the fan and stuff back on. I had to take that off, and I can't remember why I did, because I had it all put back together and I had to take it all apart again. But it runs, and that's the big thing. Anyway, that's the 73, and what do I do now? I guess I won't be doing any videos for a while or anything on it, because next stage is starting to paint it. So, wish me luck.